But we're making an awesome old school recipe, modernizing a little, some stewed okra and tomatoes. I don't know, you know me and pepper. Give it a like, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. That is the same thing. Oh yeah, you thought I was done. Well, we're on our healthy kick for another week or so. Now this is a family kind of back to our Cajun roots, but we're going to be doing it with our sous vide, which kind of, when you stew tomatoes and okra, the okra can get a little slimy, but this system kind of works, and it's great because you can just bag it all up, drop it in there, and forget about it. So first things first, we got our big bowl. Now we're using frozen whole okra because it's not seasoned, but hey, frozen works and you don't have to thaw it. So we're just gonna throw that in there. You can use the cut up stuff, but I like kind of the whole okra. It just makes it more, I don't know, fun. Then we got a nice sprig of rosemary and a few sprigs of thyme. We got these beautiful heirloom tomatoes. Let me get a knife. That we're just going to be rough chopping these guys. I mean, because one, we like big, chunky pieces. And I love these beautiful heirloom tomatoes. So I'm talking about like chunky. Boom. It's as simple as that. And so it doesn't take that much time. That's the beautiful thing about sous vide, is a lot of times you can just pre-prep your little packets, and then when you're ready to cook, just throw it in there. I mean, you can go out, do whatever you want, just leave it. Some sous vide recipes are overnight, but you know, it's just a fun way. Then we have our nice little half a sweet onion. And again, we're just kind of being a rough chops. Nothing serious. Woo, come back. I'm just gonna throw that all in this big bowl. And the reason we're putting the big bowl and not starting off with the bag is because we're gonna season it, and you know, we wanna be able to toss it all around. I'm gonna take some garlic, and again, big chops. Don't want little teeny tiny pieces of garlic. I mean, you can if you want, but. And I went ahead and cut up some more tomatoes and garlic. And we got about 3 strips of a good uncured bacon.
You know what they say, meat some plus.
Exactly. Get it all ready. I'll grab a towel and wipe that board off real quick. But the bacon, we like an uncured bacon. One, it doesn't have all the nitrates and stuff. I mean, it's bacon. It's not going to be perfectly healthy for you, but a little bit more goes a long way. So we got our nice, awesome bowl of all our goodness. I mean, that looks pretty good right there.
Yes, it does.
Now, because we want a little liquid, and sometimes when you're stewing it on, like in a Dutch oven, or you can even do it in the regular oven, you usually put a little chicken stock. But I found that these a really good petite diced fire roasted tomato goes a long way. You can just throw it in there, and it has the liquid in the can, so it's perfect. And then to that, I'm gonna add some fresh pepper. I don't know, you know me and pepper. Oh yeah, you thought I was done.
Never too much pepper.
Exactly. And then some of my favorite Cajun seasonings, because it is salt-free. This is Tony's, and a couple of tablespoons, more or less.
It is really cool that there's no salt in that.
Yeah, so you can be heavy-handed and get a lot of good flavor, and not over salty.
What kind of salt is that?
This is our little truff salt. I do love truffles.
Oh yeah.
I mean,
actually, we just used that for breakfast this morning too.
Yes, that was a very good breakfast. In fact, we're gonna have to show you guys one day. But so yeah, and so that's kind of easy. You can take a spoon, or you can take a God spoon that he gave you with a glove. We're just gonna kind of toss all this around, get it all nice and mixed up. And that's about as much work. So we're gonna dirty one bowl. That's okay. And so this is the easiest way. We have our little food saver. You can use any one. It's any kind of vac packer, because sous vide is under vacuum. So we went ahead and made our little bag. And to make it, I'm just gonna use another glove. No sense of that. Found us a little, one of my favorite little pots. Put our bag down in here. Just makes it easier for loading all the good stuff. And you don't make a huge mess. But knowing me, I'll probably still make a mess. So we're just gonna go ahead and put in all our good stuff in our bag. And you know, that's how simple this recipe is. Yum. And there we go. There's our bag.
Bag of goodness.
Oh, yes. And what's really cool is you could do this ahead of time, vac pack it, even throw it in your freezer if you want. And then when you're ready for it, thaw it out, and then drop it in your water bath. And on this, we went ahead and preset for 185 degrees. Now, this is not a short sous vide like some. You're gonna wanna stew these for about 2-3 hours, no more than 4. So we got that. This is the magic moist. So you have your bag. You can kind of flatten it out. It's okay. And there you go. And now all you gotta do, take your sous vide and drop it in, and boom, it's done. Oh wait, no, we pre-did one. So, well guys, what? We're gonna sit around for 3 hours waiting? I don't think so.
Yeah, we figured we would save y'all some time.
Yeah, so, and see how simple? We made a little smaller batch than this one. But, guys, it's that simple. Then you pour it out, ooh, and all that goodness. I'm telling you what, this is a staple. My mother, your grandmother, stews, especially when okra's in season, loves doing stewed fresh okra. I mean,
bam.
We can't say that. That's trademark.
Is it?
No, I don't. But, and that's simple. And hey, come on. I know you want to taste.
I was waiting for you to invite me.
What's cool about this is, yeah, it's a great standalone side. But we're going to be working on some a very healthy shrimp and grits with cauliflower grits. Then we're going to put this on top and the shrimp.
Oh, yeah.
I mean,
Cauliflower grits. Did you hear that?
Yeah, so check that video out. I tell you what, when doing it in the bag, you don't see a lot of slime falling off.
No, these are not slimy at all.
Oh, but they're all hot.
Yeah. Yeah, it is.
It got all those really good flavors, that little smokiness from the bacon, the tomatoey, those heirloom tomatoes, and that fire roasted tomato goes so well. It gives so much flavor.
It really does. I mean, this could even be good on just some basic rice. Just put that on top of some rice.
Put it on top of some pasta. I mean,
come on, dude.
Crunchy French bread, just to dip all in it.
Oh yeah.
I mean, this is a great, and it's a healthy side. You saw us. Yeah, we put a little bit of bacon fat, but hey, you need some natural fats.
Yeah, I mean, natural fats aren't really bad for you.
Pretty much it was just okra, tomatoes, onions, deliciousness.
Yeah, that's right. Deliciousness is the biggest ingredient.
But yeah, so, you know, give this a try. It's easy. You just make your bag, you set it for 185, drop it in 2-3 hours.
Yep.
You're good to go.
It's easy. It's so easy.
Yeah.
Sous videing is such an easy technique to learn.
It is.
And to do. It's really worth it if you can.
I will tell you something I love about sous vide, especially in the summer when you don't want your kitchen super hot.
Yep.
That little guy doesn't radiate a ton of heat like a stove or an oven. So it's
fryer or whatever it is.
It's really fun.
Yeah.
All right. Well, so I hope you guys give it a try. But give it a like, give it a thumbs up.
Subscribe.
That is the same thing, the like and the thumbs up.
Yeah.
You know.
Give it a like and a thumbs up. Come on, guys.
Technology.
Do it twice.
Exactly. And if you have any comments, let us know. If you make it, let us know. It's really good.
Yeah.
I recommend it. And you can use frozen okra or fresh okra. Mm-hmm. So it's a versatile, easy recipe.
Whole, chopped, whatever you want to do.
Yeah. It's fun. It's easy. Make it your own. And remember, keep camping and keep cooking.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, I really like this. This is...
It's good, man.
Man. Honestly, my favorite part is the tomatoes.
Because they got a great flavor.
They do.
Soaking in with all this stuff.
Yeah, it's because they're like mostly water, so they just soak up all that goodness.
And the chunks of garlic. That's a winner.
Really good on a warm day. I mean, cold day, too.
Yeah, perfect. All right. And cut. Quit eating all the props. And welcome back to Cooking with OTK. Well, we're on our healthy kick for another week or so, but we're making those heirloom tomatoes, and that fire roasted tomato goes so well. It gives so much flavor. Well, we're on our healthy kick for another week or so, but we're making